Hello, YouTube. That's
Hi,
right.
YouTube.
We're back.
And we're here.
We actually are in Muskegon. We're in Muskegon. We're at, what is it? Pere Marquette. There we go.
Marquette.
And this is Lake Michigan behind us. We thought this would be kind of a cool trial for our Hero 3 Plus. We don't have our normal vlogging camera back yet. They said that it is shipped out as of yesterday. So we got a vlog with the Hero, but hey, I like the GoPro. The footage is pretty nice, but we're just kind of tooling around, seeing what we can get into here.
So far we got stuck and everything.
But we're gonna take and try to get out to that pier over there and see what else we get into today, guys. Glad to be back. Just kind of chilling out and crossing the street, guys. Find a way to get over.
Let's clear down here by the map. This way.
Alright. Let's go take a look, guys. Shooting in 4K, wanted to see how that looked. See that pier behind me? We're gonna try to get out there, see if we even can, being that, you know, all the parks around here are all closed, so they don't maintain the sidewalks. So there's been a lot of like sand all drifted over and everything like that. But let's see if we can get out there, guys. Need a drink? Good old lake water. So what you guys up to today? Like I said, we're just kind of chilling out, seeing what we can get into. It's pretty beautiful. I was gonna take and try to fly my drone today, but being that I haven't flown it too much, really didn't want to take a digger into the dirt. One day I'll do that. One day. So what are you guys up to? I know it's been forever since you guys seen us. That's what happens when your main camera dies and you don't have another good camera until now. Just got the GoPro and I'm like, well, we'll use that until we get our other one. But they did say yesterday that they did ship out our regular vlogging camera, so can't wait to get that one back. Because this one, obviously, I don't have a display, so I don't know what I'm really shooting. Just hope that I'm in the shot, you know. What's up, Dad?
Sound like you had a whole fleet out here.
Echoes.
Well.
good. How about you?
Nice. Nice if you got a good day.
Yeah, we do. Very, very bumpy. Well, for one, we're not at the pier. For two, this is just bumpy as crap. Want to go back the other way?
Yeah.
Woo! Well, so much for going over to the pier, guys. The hover-rounds decided to die, and you know how my hip has been. I did not want to take and try to walk all the way over there. We'll try to see if we can drive over there a little bit later.
That's why I don't like that new one.
But that
No
thing
traction and it doesn't hold up.
that hit the sand and it killed the battery. Oh well, we got to see a little bit of the, you know, shoreline. It's pretty cool. Hope you guys' day is doing great, because ours is actually doing wonderful, minus the stupid hover round. Hi guys.
Hi.
So like I said, we're back. We're using the GoPro, as I said before. Or the camera should be here pretty soon.
My nose already itched.
But we are exhausted.
Very.
So we're going to actually head to bed. But we're going to say, hope you guys have a great day, great evening, everything else.
See you guys tomorrow.
We're out.
I'm out of work and we're heading home. Aren't we, Arlen? Except for getting wireless tomorrow. He's driving and talking at the same time.